Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is at least 50% and you have about 1.5 GB free. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging so you can access deeper menus. Make a quick backup and write down the current build number. This lets you restore if needed. Next, power off and boot into recovery or fast boot depending on Realme model. This is where you'll find the OTA files to remove. Now you locate and delete the update files. If you have root or ADB, connect and use a file manager or a DB shell to inspect /cache and /data for OTA update. Zip or DM-Verity packages remove only the OTA files. In recovery, choose Wipe Advanced and selectively remove OTA entries. Don't wipe user data. You do this because leftover packages trigger reinstall attempts. Make sure file names match the OTA to avoid deleting system partition. Finish by rebooting the phone and verifying the build number stayed the same. This confirms the OTA was removed. If the device enters a boot loop, immediately boot recovery and restore your backup or reflash the stock firmware with the manufacturer tool. This fixes corrupted system files. If the update reappears later, disable auto-update in settings or install an updater blocker app. That prevents automatic downloads. If you get stuck, document error messages before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.